plastic is a big problem in the world. And just people use so much plastic that it's ending up in places it shouldn't be. A lot of it goes to landfills, but a lot of it ends up as litter in our forests, and our oceans, just all over the place. And this actually can be quite harming to the life that lives in our world's ecosystems. So there are some needs that must be set in place. And I can't stress to you enough that nature is taking a toll from this overusage and improper disposal of plastics. For example, you see this turtle. I've never met this turtle in real life, but right now I feel quite a connection with him, And I'm sure some of you feel the exact same way. Like, this is a sweet little turtle. It's not hurting anybody. He's just chilling, looking cool. Well, this poor turtle could be one of the several victims of death from plastic. So a turtle's diet consists a whole lot of jellyfish, and plastic bags, other plastic material can mimic what jellyfish looks like pretty spot on. So these guys unknowingly will consume this plastic, and it'll block their digestive system and cause them to not get enough nutrients and starve. So we're indirectly, directly killing life in our oceans. According to the United Nations, it says that this pollution chokes marine wildlife, damages soil, and poisons groundwater, and can cause serious health impacts. So plastic pollution is no joke at all. We need to take it serious. Another thing is that people use way too much plastic. Milena, along with the Santa Cruz Works, puts it this way: the average American uses about 0.34 kilograms of plastic every day. This is almost triple the amount used by the other North American countries, Canada and Mexico, that use just 0.09 kilograms per person each day. This makes the US the second highest consumer of plastic on Earth, using 37.83 million tons of plastic each year. This is a big issue, and if we don't get certain things set in place, the world as we know it will change entirely. So, there are ways that we can combat this as citizens and as just people in the world. Recycling can help a whole lot with the issue. So, the Los Angeles County describes recycling as this: it is the process of collecting, sorting, cleaning, treating, restoring, and then converting materials that would otherwise become solid waste into raw material for new, reused, or restored products. So, it's as easy as this. You just need another one of these. It can be smaller, it can be bigger, and you can put it in your house, you can put it outside of your house, and instead of throwing those Ziploc bags away, those plastic water bottles away in your trash can, you just stick it in here and get in contact with your local garbage disposal unit, and they will set you up with somewhere you can put your recycled things. And that's a very good option. Another option is to use reusable alternatives to plastic. So instead of using plastic water bottles, maybe we can start using reusable water bottles. Yeah, you buy this and it's $15, $20, but after a long-term use, be saving some money in the end. So now I'm going to encourage you guys to invest in some of this. Invest in reusable options. Andrew Webmaster explains that a family of 4 with reusable water bottles can save $123,000 after 5 years. All they're doing is replacing their plastic water bottle usage with reusable water bottles that they fill up. And they're saving so much money in the long run and the short term as well. So, as well, recycling. As I've stressed, recycling is not difficult. It's just as simple as putting certain things into a different box. Just contact your local garbage disposal unit and they'll get you right along a schedule to start recycling, saving the planet. So, as you sort of have heard, plastic is bad. Sort of. Plastic can be very bad if we don't dispose of it the correct way. So recycling is a good option. If we don't dispose of it the right way, these guys and all other kinds of life is going to suffer from it. So that's what I have for you today, and I encourage you to stop using plastic so much. Thank you.